How to fix Microsoft Teams error CAA20008. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with Microsoft Teams server synchronization, leading to authentication errors. Turn on the option Set Time Automatically. If the time is still incorrect, turn off Set Time Automatically, then turn it back on. Check if the time zone is correct and adjust if necessary. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Delete all files and folders in the directory. Restart Teams. If that didn't work, sometimes, simply signing out and then signing back into your account can refresh your session and resolve authentication issues.